The words iconic and legendary may be overused in aviation, yet they actually fit the Piper Super Cub. The Super Cub popularized backcountry flying in the second half of the 20th century, and it remains a useful and beloved aircraft. The Aeroprakt A22 is a relative newcomer and a foreigner. Made in Ukraine, the metal A22 has much more modern technology than the Super Cub with its Rotax engine and glass panel avionics. Our fly-off takes place on a sparkling late summer morning in central Maine. First, the takeoff test.
Okay, we're gonna advance the throttles in 3, 2, 1, go.
The Super Cub moves ahead about 3 airplane lengths during the takeoff run and gets off the water about 1 second earlier than the A22. The A22, however, uses about 30 feet less total distance on its takeoff run. The result, a draw. Once airborne in level flight with the flaps up, we begin a side-by-side climb contest. Both airplanes are at full power and pitch up to VY. As the saying goes, there's no replacement for displacement. Winner, Super Cub. With both airplanes in cruise, the A22 moves into trail position to compare roll rates.
Bank left in 3, 2, 1, go.
The Super Cub rolls at a sedate 30 degrees per second. The A22 is significantly quicker at about 45 degrees per second. Result, the winner, A22. Next, we find out which plane can fly slower. Flying side by side with both airplanes clean, we decelerate in level flight.
Alright, I'm starting to buff it at 50.
I wasn't buffeting at all there.
Yeah, it looks like you got a definite slow speed advantage.
Winner, A22. With flaps and landing gear up, we open the throttles for a flat-out speed contest. Flying side by side, we commence the drag race.
Okay, I'm opening up a little bit of lead. 95 knots. Okay, say your ground speed.
90.
90 knots? Yep. Okay, I'm at 92.
Winner, Super Cub. Our final challenge is a short landing comparison on water. We deploy full flaps and approach the landing zone. The A22 makes its final approach about 3 knots slower than the Super Cub. Due to its heavier weight, however, the Super Cub settles into the water more quickly. The two airplanes decelerate and stop in almost exactly the same distance. Result, a draw. The shocking thing to me was just how close this modern LSA is to this traditional iconic Super Cub. Despite the massive power advantage that the Super Cub has. The takeaway: small, sporty, lightweight seaplanes provide real alternatives to traditional models. Dave Hirschman, AOPA Live.